Welcome back to Modelworks. As you notice, we are in a different production area. We just want to show you how we cut and sand our large-scale models. First, we need to prepare, print, and pre-cut our blueprint that we're going to use. As for this project, we are doing a yacht, a new model from Catamaran. These are the sample 3D photos of the model that was given by our client. Once we are done with the blueprint and photos, we can now start cutting the wood. And for your information, we are using Philippine mahogany wood for all of our wooden scale models. On the video, we are cutting the wood to the right side using a bandsaw. This wood will represent as the hull of Catamaran. And going back, this special project has a scale of 30 inches in length, and the exterior details such as furniture and fixtures will also be included. Once we are done with the cutting, we will clean the edges by sanding using the sander machine with a low level of grit. After all the pieces were done, the output will look like this. And we can now proceed to the shaping of the wood using the blueprint that we prepared as a marker to the sides and top of the hull. Again, using the bandsaw, we cut the parts that we marked a while ago and sand this as well. So the process of marking, cutting, and sanding will just repeat until we are done with all the pieces. And for now, we cannot see where this is going, but for the carver, it's like a puzzle that they need to put on together. After all the processes, the ending output will look like this, the basic shape of the catamaran's hull. As you can see, it has two pieces because it is much easier to carve the hull like this, and we'll just stick the pieces together. That is the end of this video. Thank you for watching another episode of Modelworks Direct. Don't forget to subscribe to get notified for our upcoming videos. Like and share this video to your friend or family, and have a great day.
Looking for the ultimate gift for a pilot, business executive, or aviation enthusiast, but you're frustrated where to look for? Don't worry, Modelworks got your back. We have custom scale models that are great for birthdays, retirements, occasions, or even promotions and trade show events. What? Remember, these are custom made, so it can be a military aircraft from his fleet, her favorite commercial airplane, or his private jet. Dial 1-844-8 models or visit www.modelworksdirect.com for inquiries.